Welcome to the new episode of Tech Insiders. An authoritative insider on Leaks has published the first images of the second generation of smartwatches from OnePlus. They will receive an updated design, an enlarged screen, a flagship processor from Qualcomm, and presumably a new operating system. OnePlus Watch 2 will retain its round shape, but the diagonal of the AMOLED screen will grow from 1.39 to 1.43 inches, and its resolution will be 466 by 466 pixels. The shape of the case will also change. The side face will be flat, and the buttons will be placed on a special ledge for greater convenience. Also can be noticed the presence of a speaker, which suggests the possibility of making calls. According to an insider, the OnePlus Watch 2 will be based on Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 processor. And perhaps the most important news is the rejection of proprietary RTOS firmware in favor of Google Wear OS 4. But this info still requires additional confirmation. In addition, it is not yet clear how these changes will affect the autonomy of the watch. Recall that for the first generation, the manufacturer claimed up to 14 days of work. The presentation of the OnePlus Watch 2 can be expected in the coming months along with the flagship smartphone OnePlus 12.